Hi friends, welcome to Topic Factory English. In today's video, we are going to talk about 6 high graphic offline games for Android, and they are also available on Play Store. So in this video, I will show you 6 games, okay, as I have told you. And before we start, kindly like this video and subscribe if you are new. Let's start. Well, the first game which we have here name is Dirty Revolver. The game size will be under 300 megabytes. In this, it is a story type game. You have to only shoot and aim. In this game, there are levels, chapter wise levels, which you may have to play chapter per chapter. It gives you a very good graphics, as you can see, not high, super high, but there are very excellent graphics, and there is very smooth control. You can smoothly control. It will also run even if you don't have a higher quality of mobile RAM and other uses. All the levels in this game are time limited. You have to complete the level within the given time and eliminate all the enemies, otherwise you will be eliminated, the level will be failed and you have to restart that level. The link of this game will be in the description. You can simply download it from there. Let's move towards the second game. So the next game which we may have now, its name is Work. It is strange in work. The size of the game will be 220 megabytes. These games provide you VIP high quality graphics and a very smoother control, and there is a lab in this game which you may have to explore. There are tasks which are given to you which you may have to perform in there and survive there, and there are many biohazard enemies, monster which you may have to kill. There are also some power-ups available on some special rooms in here. You can buy those power-ups with coins. You can earn coins by playing the levels. This is the video which I am currently showing. This is, by the way, the first level which I have played. The levels could be difficult, but it will be easy if you explore deeply in this game. To play this game, this requires a deeply exploring. And if we talk about the weapons, there are, at the time you can just equip 2 weapons, and there is unlimited ammo, and no longer need to reload. So now let's move towards the next game. The link of this game will be available in the video description. The third game which we are going to talk about, the name of the game is Battle Ops. The game size will be under 400 megabytes. This game also provides you very smooth control and very high quality games and a complete user interface. It is basically a IGI or shooting type game. There are missions given to you. Every mission have a different location which you have to go and play. There are also some special modes and settings available in this game, and it is also completely offline, but there are also some multiplayer modes which you can play when you go online. There are targets given to you in this game, different targets in different levels. There are also events in this game which may come day after days. The link of this game will be in the description. The next game which may come in the front of us, its name is Glory Age Samurai. The size of the game is 133 megabytes. It is very simple game. It provides you a very high quality graphics. All you need to do here is there is a simple small samurai you can see on the screen. You have to control it and fight with other samurais. There are very levels and also endless mode available in this game. You may also have some superpowers available. You can unlock more superpowers, more strength and more health. There are different quantity of enemies in each level, and sometimes the enemies could be more powerful, or sometimes you could be more powerful. There is actually no much explanation of this game because it is very simple to play. The game's link will be in the description box. The next game which may come in the list, it's Zombie Hunter. The size of the game will be over 300 megabytes. This game is also completely story based. You may see the story when you open the game, that there is so many diseases produced in our world. Humans are dying. A company produces a vaccine to heal it. So a daily dose of the vaccine keeps the people healed. But one day there is some problem in that medicine, and all the people taking the medicine just suddenly turn into zombies. So you are a soldier which are here to kill them. There are smooth gameplay and many different varieties of weapons, and also every facility, bombs, and also very smoother control. The link of this game will be in the description box below. So the last game of our list, its name is Anti-Terrorist Combat Mission. The size of the game will be 160 megabytes. This game is very similar to IGI. There are also missions and some basic controls and basic graphics are available in this game. All you need to do is to just aim, shoot and walk in here. There are pyramids and castles available in this game. You may have to go there, explore, kill enemies, find enemies. The enemies may also be visible on map. This game is very similar to IGI and simple combat missions and other missionary games. There is auto fire mode is also available. The link of this game will be in the description. Like this video and subscribe if you are new. This supports me and motivates me.